everyone, this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I'm going to do a tutorial video for this ATC card pocket holder. So this is the one that I shared in the previous release video. And here you can see that you can put many ATC cards inside, and you can also put other things like tickets or ephemera stickers. And yeah, you can also put gift cards inside, like this gift card. Yeah, so it can also be a gift card holder. So it's very functional file folder. So it's not only for ATC cards. So let me first show you the dies. This is all you'll get in the set, and all these are additional decoration pieces that you can use in any of your projects. And the many dies that I'm going to use today is this main die, and this is the layering piece die, and this die, this one is to create the ATC card pocket, and this is also a layering piece, and also this frame die and the inside layering piece dies. And I also will use these dies to create this disc closures. So I have cut out all these frame dies, and these are the layering piece. So first I will stick all the layering piece on top. So when you stick the layering piece, just make sure your image is not upside down. For this part, it folds like this. So it looks like this. And this image is like this. And then for this part, you need to stick it like this. And for this part, stick it like this. In this way, your image will not be upside down when finished the box. And for this box, it is folded like this way, So this image folds like this, and this image like this. And for the pattern paper I use is from the Doodle Box, the Night Before Christmas collection. I think it's so cute. And for these flaps, it is designed that you can make this part more sturdy. So you just need to stick them down like this. And for the inside part, that you can use pattern paper to hide these flaps or not, it's just up to you. And so this time I choose to use the pattern paper to hide all these flaps, and in this way it will also make this part more sturdy. I think I did a long thing. I need to stick this part first. In this way, it can also be hid inside this pattern paper. Yeah, I made a mistake. Okay, now I have fixed this problem. So yeah, next time if you want to stick the inside pattern paper, just don't forget to stick this part first. Also do the same to this part that stick the pattern paper on both sides and stick these flaps inside. Okay, here is my second mistake. Yeah, I forgot about the size. Yeah, it looks like it's a square size, so I didn't measure it before I cut it, but it's not a square size, it's a rectangle size. So yeah, when you cut it, just make sure you are using the right angle. Yeah, like this one, if I put it like this, then both for the four sides it will leave a good size. Yeah, see like this, then you can see for top and bottom it has only a little gap here, but for this left and the right side it has two more blank area, right? Yeah, so that is my second mistake. So when you made it, just make sure you are cutting the right side. So I have to leave it like this now. So the part is look like this, and then I cut these two discs out, and because I only have this kind of eyelet that is bigger than this hole, so I have to punch it to resize the middle part. Okay, now you need to punch a hole here. Just make sure you punch it in the middle. And then make one, and then punch a hole here. So it looks like this, and let's do the inside. And here you can see a folding line here, so fold along this folding line. And stick this part here, but for this part, don't stick it here, but stick it on this spine. Then stick this part on this spine. Then you can add a second, third, fourth pocket here. So I only made this first pocket, and then you just need to stick the other pockets along this line. So this pocket cut file folder is ready. And then you add a string here to close your file folder. So it closes like this. So this is how it finished. and then you can add some decorations on your folder. So this is the tutorial for this file folder, and if you have any questions, please leave me comment. I will answer you as soon as possible, and I will do some more tutorials in the coming days. So if you have anything that you want me to do the tutorial, just leave me comment. Yeah, so thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.